Welcome to Portico Attendance. We're excited to join you on your educational journey. MyPortico is a mobile application for you to take attendance, track your progress, and stay connected with your school. You'll use our student app to clock in and out, view your time and progress, and keep up with your academics. You can clock in and out of class using 4 different technologies, depending on your school's policies. Technology includes sound, biometrics, including Face ID or fingerprint scan, GPS, or QR code. Some schools may use more than one technology, like GPS plus a QR code. You can check in or out when your class is scheduled to begin and end. When it's time to clock in, simply open the MyPortico app and click the check-in button. If you miss a check-in or check-out, contact your instructor for a time adjustment. The app gives you a full breakdown of your course progress, including time attended, time missed, adjustments, and time remaining. If you need to make up time, connect with your instructor. Your school may also use Portico for skills tracking, payments, and assessments. If your school is using these products, you'll be able to manage payments, view skills progress, and grades alongside your attendance. If you have a question outside of class, you can message your instructor using the Message Instructor tool. Your school may also use the class discussion tool to connect with your classmates and instructor as a group. Please note that not every school uses this feature. Opting in to push notifications ensures you don't miss an important message. You can update your notification settings at any time to select which topics you'd like to be notified about. If you have any questions about Portico, please contact your instructor or your administrator. If you have any issues, feel free to contact us through the support button in your app. We wish you the best of luck on your educational journey.